Welcome to Nana Important Baking Slime Show.
Let's see the ingredient first. What is this?
Water,
Water.
food
This.
coloring,
Okay.
baking soda,
Okay.
clear glue,
What is in this bowl?
magic water,
Yes. We will use baking soda first. Nana put 1 spoonful of baking soda in the water.
it's very a capsule. It's going to melt at this time. Did we make for few minutes? This is alright yet?
Is it okay now?
Hmm.
Okay. Nana put glue. Which color do you want?
Oven.
Orange. Nana, let's mix. In baking soda solution here, 2 spoons. This is mixing well.
Yes.
Okay, now it's time for
Magic water. Let's see what happens.
Okay. Yeah. Oh. Look.
See what I am making.
Smell.
It's a bread.
Bread. Papa stretching. Stretch it. Ooh. It's a clear slime. See? You can see through the slime.
But I will see.
Hey.
Do you see something?
Yes. I can see through the slime. Like. Hey. Is that a hole? Anna, look through the hole. There a big hole. If you like this video to our channel,
Go our channel and have fun today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
bye bye.
Bye bye.
See you in the next video.
Okay. Bye bye.
There a big hole.
Try again.